Once you complete the checkout process at SVG Tools, check your inbox for your serial number. You'll receive an email similar to this one with a 30-digit serial number. We can also use this email to download the software. Step 1 contains a link that you can click on. Click here to bring up the CraftEdge website, where next we'll click on the SVG merge icon right here. And at this point, you're going to select and download the version for your operating system. If you have a Windows machine, you'll click Download 64-bit here. If you have Mac OS, you'll click Download. If you're using an older version of Mac OS, older than 10.11, you'll need to click this. So let's click Download. Unless you've specified otherwise, your download should be in your Downloads folder. Head over to your Downloads folder and locate the software to begin the installation. If you downloaded the PC version, you'll be looking for a program called Setup SVG Merge _1_ and then a series of numbers depending on which is the current version number, followed by .exe. That is the Windows version. You'll want to double click on that to begin the installation. For our Mac users, it'll say Setup SVG Merge _1_ and then again, whatever the latest version number is, .pkg. You double click that to begin the installation of the software. To begin the installation of the software on either Mac or PC, double click on the installation file. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. The installation on my Mac only took a few seconds. I can click Close, and it should automatically bring up the window, the SVG merge window. In Mac OS, you'll find your software under Applications. To launch the software the first time, you'll double click on the SVG merge icon. The first time you launch the software, you'll get this dialog box indicating that the software is running in demo mode. Now, since you've made the purchase and you have your serial number, click Activate. You can then copy by highlighting the entire serial number and right-clicking, clicking Copy, and pasting it into this field here, and then click OK to activate the software. If you've successfully activated your software, you'll receive a dialog box just like this one. Click OK to begin using your software.